Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of creative contemporary woodworking project ideas for your next build or make money with these wood ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creative contemporary woodworking has evolved into more than just a pastime or a practical pursuit. It has become a way to shape living spaces, tell personal stories, and build income opportunities while addressing modern desires for style, sustainability, and durability. When considering how to blend these three essential qualities, style, durability, and profitability, into woodworking projects, the path lies not in overcomplicating the craft, but in refining it to balance what people want to see in their homes and what will last for years without losing its beauty. Today's buyers are no longer looking for pieces that merely fill a space. They are searching for decor that adds personality, sparks conversations, and holds long-term value. That is why style becomes the gateway. It draws people in and makes them fall in love with the piece. A contemporary wooden decor item, be it a sleek coffee table, minimalist wall panel, rustic lamp, or floating shelf, needs to reflect a harmony between modern design trends and the timeless authenticity of wood. Grain, texture, and finish matter as much as shape and function, and when these are considered carefully, they create that instant emotional connection that buyers crave. Durability, meanwhile, ensures that the story of the piece doesn't fade after a season. A buyer investing in a handmade wooden decor item wants to know it will endure the wear of daily life while retaining its original charm. That means focusing on construction methods that respect both tradition and modern needs, strong joinery, careful finishing, and the right choice of wood species. It's not about mimicking mass-produced items that cut corners. Rather, it's about showing that handmade crafts can be practical and lasting while still stylish. Profitability enters the conversation when the maker considers the efficiency of production without stripping away authenticity. A successful modern woodcraft project is one that feels bespoke, but is designed in a way that can be reproduced at scale with small variations, ensuring each buyer feels they own something unique, while the maker keeps materials, time, and labor costs manageable. Using reclaimed wood or overlooked scraps also enhances profitability, not only by reducing costs, but also by appealing to eco-conscious buyers who value sustainability as part of their purchasing decision. This alignment with green living isn't just trendy, it is now a core part of why people choose handmade over mass-market decor. For makers, it means that profitability doesn't require sacrificing ethics. It's about turning available materials into treasures through smart design and thoughtful execution. Buyers are drawn to pieces that show the hand of the maker, imperfections included, because they symbolize authenticity in a world of disposable decor. That authenticity becomes a marketing edge, and when paired with durability and contemporary style, it creates products that people not only want to buy but want to talk about and showcase in their homes. This is the sweet spot where woodworking transcends craft and becomes business, when the maker's skill and vision align with the customer's lifestyle desires. For modern craftspeople, the challenge isn't whether to prioritize style, durability, or profitability, but how to interlace them into every project. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. By embracing clean lines for contemporary tastes, strong structures for longevity, and efficient use of resources for financial sustainability, woodworking projects evolve into assets that build both homes and businesses. In essence, creative contemporary woodworking is not about chasing fleeting trends, but about designing pieces that reflect today's world while carrying the strength of timeless tradition. The result is decor that buyers love, cherish, and recommend, ensuring repeat sales and lasting reputation for the craftsman. Each build becomes more than just an object. It becomes an investment in style, a testament to durability, and a pathway to profitability, all fused into one piece of wooden art. Durability steps in as the silent promise behind style. Without strength and longevity, even the most beautiful piece risks becoming disposable, a contradiction to both eco-conscious living and value-driven purchasing. The durability of wooden crafts comes not just from the choice of solid materials, but also from the techniques that respect and amplify the material's integrity. Mortise and tenon joints, dovetails, or even modern minimalist fastenings demonstrate to buyers that the piece is built to last. This matters greatly in a world oversaturated with flat-pack furniture designed for short lifespans. A durable handmade wooden shelf or lamp not only serves a function for decades, but also creates a legacy passed from one household to another, collecting meaning with time. Customers today are increasingly aware of the waste generated by throwaway decor, so when they encounter a product that combines aesthetic appeal with endurance, they are willing to invest more. Seeing it not just as furniture or decoration, but as a long-term companion. Then comes profitability, the balancing act that turns woodworking from a hobby into a sustainable livelihood. Profitability in modern woodcraft does not mean mass production or stripping away authenticity. It is about clever design choices, resourceful material use, and mindful efficiency in time and labor. A profitable project is one that can be replicated without losing its uniqueness, that uses reclaimed or locally sourced wood to reduce costs while appealing to eco-conscious buyers, and that maintains a price point both fair to the customer and rewarding to the maker. For instance, a line of minimalist reclaimed wood wall art can be produced in small batches, each piece carrying its own natural variation. This ensures scalability for the maker while still giving buyers the sense of owning something exclusive. Similarly, crafting smaller high-demand items like wooden phone stands, coasters, or planters allows makers to diversify income streams without requiring years of technical mastery. This is profitability rooted not in cutting corners, but in amplifying creativity and smart resource management. Ultimately, contemporary woodworking is about more than the wood itself. It is about shaping how people experience their homes and how they connect with their environment. By crafting decor that embodies modern style, ensures long-term durability, and remains accessible in price and profitability, woodworkers create items that don't just sell but stay treasured. Each piece becomes an emblem of thoughtful design and meaningful living, reminding both maker and buyer that woodworking is not a relic of the past, but a vibrant practice for today and the future. In a fast-paced, disposable world, wooden crafts that balance these values represent stability, beauty, and purpose. That is why creative contemporary woodworking is not only an art form, but a viable, future-proof business, one that honors tradition while seizing the opportunities of the present. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative contemporary woodworking project ideas for your next build/make money with these wood ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.